Hey guys, I want to do a podcast. I'm driving to a property. It's going to take me about another 18 minutes. The video is not going to be that long. But I was noticing some posts and stuff where people are on a rental property. When you buy a rental property, they're putting all this money in it to make it look so good to get a higher rent. Well, most of the time that is not necessary. So the only people that are making money, putting high-end stuff, because the renter's going to move in there, they're going to do things to it. I'm doing that. I've got a house going out myself over in Bedford. I got two where the tenants moved out. Now we're going in there. We want to sell them, so we're going to go in there. We're going to update the house to the T. It's going to look so good, but I don't want to do that until I get ready to sell it. When I'm renting it, I want to do them, for example, I don't want to put luxury vinyl in. I'll just use those wood floors, make them nice. We want to do paint, but I don't use the high-end paint. Go a couple grades down. They look good. And then I'd always want to do a second bathroom. I think that's worth the money, especially what I charge. And if you want to know what that is, you can call me. But when we finish homes, we finish them to whatever they're going to do. So, for example, if we're selling them, we're going to use different paint. We're going to use different lights. We're going to put luxury vinyl down. We're going to do a lot of different stuff. We'll put a new water heater in. We'll paint the outside, so we can get those appraisals, because it's really important to get the right improvements to get the right appraisal. Because if you don't do that, then you're going to run into a little bit of trouble on your appraisal. So my last 10 houses that I've done, I've gotten the appraisal. I've got another one getting appraised today, and I got 3 more going on the market. But the way to do that is to understand what kind of rehab you, because really when you're looking at income investment real estate, you want to make the max income you can, and the way to do that is to do the least you have to on the rentals. But there's certain things you have to do, but it isn't the same stuff you have to do if you're going to sell it. I know a lot of people want the house to look fantastic, and they all look fantastic, and they're clean. They all get new blinds, plugs, switches, lights. A lot of the stuff is the same, except for we don't put the luxury vinyl in most of the time. We're probably not going to paint the outside. There's a lot of stuff we're not going to do to save you money. So there's a big difference in price. So if you're looking for something like that and you're doing it, then that's what I do. I have houses all finished, all done, that you can buy, kind of a turnkey deal, where you'll have to not put much money down. You'll have equity there also. And I also have houses that you could buy, and we can just do the rental stuff on. But it's very, very different the way you look at real estate. And it's super crucial as an investor to understand that, because everybody's out to grab that money out of your pocket and keep it. We have one umbrella. That's why we purchase, rehab, lease, manage, sell. We do all that ourselves. And the reason I do that is because not one entity has to make a ton of money in order to survive. So if you're just dealing with a property manager that's got to do the rehab, and they don't really buy and sell a lot of real estate, then they're not really. I run my own crews, so I have my own crews. Some of them been with me for 15 years. So my people, my vendors, all that, they save a lot of money. So again, if you're looking for that kind of service, call me. But I want to shoot this podcast to tell you there's a big difference between a rental rehab and a sell rehab, and you need to understand that in order to make sure your pockets stay full of money. I'm Brett with Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Check out the link below on the website. I brag about the numbers we make on our properties with our clients. Thanks. Have a great day. I'm almost to the house.